If you're looking to integrate Salesflare with Zoom, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover how to connect the two tools to streamline your sales process, saving you time and ensuring everything is in one place. Stick with me until the end for a special bonus offer to try out Salesflare for free, and I'll show you how this integration can boost your efficiency. Salesflare is a smart CRM designed to automate and streamline your sales process. It integrates with all sorts of tools, including Zoom, to help you stay organized and up to date with customer interactions. If you're using Zoom for meetings with prospects, connecting it with Salesflare ensures that all the information from your calls gets captured automatically, saving you from manual data entry. To get started, the first step is logging into your Salesflare account. Once you're in, navigate to the integration section from the settings. Here, you'll find a list of software you can connect with. Click on Zoom to start the integration process. Once you select Zoom, you'll be prompted to log into your Zoom account and grant Salesflare the necessary permissions. This process is quick and simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and in no time, your Zoom and Salesflare accounts will be connected. Now, why is this integration so powerful? Well, once it's connected, you'll be able to automatically sync meeting data from Zoom into Salesflare. This means that all your Zoom meetings, including the date, time, and participants, will be logged directly into your CRM. You won't have to manually enter details after every call, and all meeting notes and follow-up actions will be recorded in Salesflare's timeline. Another great feature is that Salesflare will automatically associate your Zoom calls with the correct contacts. So, if you've had a meeting with a potential client, you'll find the details tied to their record in Salesflare. This is perfect for keeping track of ongoing conversations and easily accessing the history of your interactions with each prospect. And here's something important. This integration works seamlessly in the background. You don't need to worry about constantly switching between apps or losing track of information. As long as your Zoom meetings are scheduled through Salesflare or linked to the right contact, everything gets synced effortlessly. As you use Salesflare more, you'll notice how powerful it is in handling your sales pipeline. The integration with Zoom enhances this even further, making sure that every step of the sales process is connected, from initial outreach to the follow-up after meetings. Now, here's the exciting part. If you want to try Salesflare out for yourself, you can use it completely for free by clicking the first link below. This exclusive offer comes with extra bonuses, making it easier for you to get started without any commitment. So, take advantage of this extended free trial to see how Salesflare can simplify your sales workflow and integrate seamlessly with Zoom to make your meetings more efficient. So, if you've been wondering how to integrate Salesflare with Zoom, now you know. Set up the integration today and enjoy a smarter, more automated way of handling your meetings and sales process. Don't forget to click that link below and grab your exclusive trial.